Hello, we are going to make some roasted chicken today. I have this whole chicken with me. It's a medium size, so this is the one. And we also have some vegetables here. I've got lemongrass, coriander leaves, celery stalks. Next is these sauces or condiments. I have some light soy sauce, 7-Up, or like a soft drinks. It's black pepper, some oil, some bay leaves, garlic, and red onions. So we will start marinating these things now. I have this chicken here. We just have to put all of those vegetables inside. Let's see these things. So I'll put the coriander first. Celery. So you just have to scatter everything. And the lemongrass. The lemongrass needs to be separated or chopped. And then we have to put, just gonna make it closer to me, it's onions, some garlic in. So with our sauces, we just have to mix light soy sauce into 7-Up, our oil, and the black pepper. And just pour it to the chicken. But first, I'm going to transfer the chicken into another bigger bowl so I can marinate it properly. To pour over inside and outside as well. So just pour everything in. And marinate your chicken for at least 1 hour, or maybe from 1 to 8 hours. The longer you leave it in the fridge, the much good taste you will have. There you go. And we just have to cover it with cling film and leave it in the fridge. And after that, I need to put some salt onto the chicken. And turn it around. We just have to brush it. Brush some vinegar, rice vinegar, to the other side. And do the same thing basically. You just have to cover the chicken with foil. So here is our chicken now. It looks good. I'm just going to bring it out and show you properly. So we are now going to make our gravy for the chicken. First ingredient that we need is liver spread. This is the one that I bought from a Philippine shop. I don't have the fresh liver from chicken liver, so I'm using this one as a substitute. Of course, you can use the fresh one, which are chicken livers or pork liver, but I do recommend using a chicken liver for the roasted chicken. And next is we have breadcrumbs. We have some rice vinegar, some water, oil, onion, white onion, and some baked ingredients that we need are some garlic, black pepper, brown sugar, and some salt. So let's start cooking. So we can start by heating our pan and pouring on our oil. Next one, our garlic. Now our onions. Next, we can put our chicken, our liver on. Now we can put our black pepper, salt, and sugar. Now we can put our water. We can add our vinegar and the breadcrumbs. So this is how our chicken looks like. So I'm just gonna I have one rice here. Rice. I'm just gonna pull this in, and I have the sauce. There you go, and we are ready to eat. I like the leg. So it's so juicy. Look at that. Wow. I'm so excited to eat. Yep. There you go.